In this video, we will connect the PIR sensor to the Raspberry Pi Pico W microcontroller. So for that, the first thing, the connection is fairly simple. The sensor has one output pin, and second is we need 3.3 volt, and the third pin is the ground. So we will connect the output of the sensor to the GPIO pin 21 of the Raspberry Pi Pico W and positive of sensor to 3.3 volt, and then ground connects to ground. The second thing that we need is we need to write the MicroPython code. So let's start with that. First, we will need the libraries. So from machine, we will import the pin and we will import utime. After that, let's declare the variable. We will have this PIR sensor as an input to the microcontroller. So we have connected PIR sensor to GPIO pin number 21, and we will use the onboard LED. So we will have this LED as an output. Machine dot pin dot out. When we will run the while loop with certain conditions. So if the sensor, if the PIR sensor detects a motion, then we will turn the onboard LED on. So, and let's print it as motion detected on the terminal. In this case, the LED value will be high. It means 1. Else, if motion is not detected, we will just print motion is not detected, and the LED value will be 0. And just we will just give a small delay of 0.3 seconds. And now we need to save this file. Click on Ctrl S and go to Raspberry Pi Pico and give it file name as main.py. After that, you need to click on this run button and it will start the program. You can also stop with this stop button. So if you can see, now the motion is not detected, and I will move it the camera, and you can see the motion is detected. And now again the LED turns on.